Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a little tech news and a little warning to all of you out there. It would seem that Ticketmaster Live Nation, the seller of tickets for concerts of pretty much almost every concert, has suffered a data breach. Now, they have not come back to anyone mentioning this, but hackers would have stolen 560 million customers' full details: name, address, email, phone, ticket sales, event information, order details, at least the last four digits of credit cards, and maybe more. It's not impossible. Expiration date, and so a lot more, and customer fraud details. They're selling that online for 500,000 US dollars apparently, and it would seem that one of the buyers of this is Ticketmaster itself. It would have been breached at some point. It contains the details of the customers from 2012 up to 2024, and this is a big breach if it happened. So this could be a potential huge problem. The first thing I would do personally, even though they don't mention it, change your password of your Ticketmaster Live Nation account, and maybe check your credit cards for weird transactions that could have been there or could come soon. So this is a major breach, once again showing that I would prefer if companies not keep our personal information, because it's obvious they are incapable of keeping our data safe. So if you've seen a concert in the last few years, if you have used Ticketmaster Live Nation, you're probably within the 560 million customer details that have been stolen by hackers. And that means stay vigilant. They will use that information in all sorts of ways to try to lure you into getting into a phishing scam or anything, calling you and saying that's something about an account, because now they have a lot of personal details about you. So it's very important that you be very vigilant. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.